So these are banded squats. We see these all over social media and programmed all the time for glute med activation and building the big booty so I can get more followers on Instagram. But we want to talk about the how we're doing this rather than just programming them. So the reason we're doing this is to include a little more glute activation, but what are the glutes, the glute complex, doing for us? Well, they're pulling us out of this usually valgus kind of predominated pattern. It's kind of teaching us to also use our feet. So let's start from the ground up. We want to make sure we have contact all 5 toes. We want to kind of drive across the foot. We're not on the outside. There's still contact on the ball of the foot. From there, we get a little tibial external rotation. So it looks like my knee's facing out, but if we trace it down, it's going right through the middle of my ankle. We trace that line up, it's going right through the middle of my hip joint. So now I have a stacked joint from top to bottom. Now when I push out, I will get a little more activation here, but is that the goal, or are we just using this to correct squats? It all depends on what the goal is for programming at that point. There's also some different setup positions with the band that research has shown actually creates better lateral glute or lateral hip rotator activation. So if we get it around the feet and we play around with, hey, does that person need more cueing around the feet? We can do that too, and then we could throw that into our monster walks or our lateral steps, whatever it is, and that's our banded squat.